Good morning, class 12th commerce, and welcome you in the accountancy class. Already the topic is going on, that is partnership accounts, and the subtopic is profit and loss appropriation account, in which I am going to teach you numerical questions. Already I have written a question on the blackboard, and now I am reading it. You note down this question in your notebook, and after that I will explain the question. Question is, A, B and C started their partnership business by investing capitals of rupees 50,000, rupees 40,000 and rupees 30,000. They share profit and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. This is the profit sharing ratio, and it is very clear that it is not according to Partnership Act, because as per Partnership Act, profit is distributed equally. And here the ratio is already given. So they, in this question or in this business, there is already partnership agreement, partnership deed. As per partnership agreement, interest on capital is allowed at the rate of 5% per annum, and interest on drawings is charged at the rate of 6% per annum. B gets another agreement is B gets a salary of rupees 1,000 per month. I have underlined here. And A is entitled for a commission 2% on total sales. Partners have withdrawn rupees 5,000 each, underline, for their personal use, on which interest is to be charged rupees 500, 400 and 300. My dear student, the next line is, the firm has earned rupees 1,20,000 profit before making the above adjustments. The total sales during the year was rupees 2 lakh. And now you have to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account in the books of firm. I think the question which I have just read is clear. Now, as per the instruction of the question, we have to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account. Yet I have not taught the types of the partners capital account. So simple partners capital account I will explain. Later on I will explain two types of partners capital account. As you have already studied the journal entry, ABC started their partnership firm by investing capital of rupees 50,000, 40,000 and 30,000. I will speak the journal entry and I will make direct posting into the accounts. If you have learned the entries which are taught yesterday, then only you will be able to understand the question. Partners capital account. Last year you have learned only capital account, but this year it is partnership firm. That is why it is known as partners capital account. It has two sides, debit side and credit side. Because three, and this is the center line. Because there are three partners, so each side three columns for writing amount. Three columns for writing amount for A, B, C in the debit side as well as in the credit side. For the first transaction up to this full stop, this is the first transaction, cash account debit to ABC capital account. You remember the journal entries which are taught yesterday. Cash account debit to ABC capital account by cash account. A has introduced 50,000, 40,000 and C has introduced 30,000. Respectively should be written here but not written. 50,000, 40,000 and 30,000. After that, they share profit and losses in the ratio of 5:3. This is the profit and loss sharing ratio, and that will be used when we will divide the profit, divisible profit. For that, as per partnership agreement, interest on capital is allowed at the rate of 5% per annum. And you know the interest on capital is item of profit and loss appropriation account and it is allowed to partners. So here by interest on capital, 5% of 50,000, 5% of 40,000 and 5% of 30,000. 5 5 ja 25 means 2,500. 2,500 and 5 4 ja 20, it is 2,000 and it is 1,500. Interest on capital 5%. It should not be written in the capital account. So interest on capital is connected with the amount of capital. So the calculation is made on the basis of this amount and this one. That is 5%. After that, interest on drawings is charged at the rate of 6% per annum. But the further informations are also given. So I will discuss over this point later on in the next line. B gets a salary of rupees 1,000 per month and the profit and loss, as it is mentioned here, prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Here I am making the profit and loss appropriation account. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended. Nowhere the year and date is mentioned. It is made profit and loss appropriation account. That is a part of the financial statement, and financial statement is made on the last date of the profit and loss account. That year ended date is written here. That may be 31st December, 31st March, or 30th June. These are the accounting session. Very popular. It has two sides, debit side and credit side. B gets a salary of rupees 1000 per month, and as I have told, the financial statement is made on the last date of accounting year. So 12 months salary will be provided to B. B gets a salary of rupees 1000 per month, and there are 12 months in any accounting session. So 12 months salary will be given by whose salary is there? By B's salary. B's salary. And that will be written in the B's column, 12,000. That is blank. And after that, A is entitled for a commission 2% on total sales. And when I was reading the question, you remember the total sales during the year was rupees 2 lakh. 2 lakh. So on this amount, 2 lakh, 2% commission will be given to A, and that will be given to A, that is why it is in the credit side, by A's commission. A will get 2% of 2 lakh, that is very common, 2 to the 4, 4,000. 1% of 2 lakh is 2,000. And 2% of 2 lakh is 4,000. It is in the column of A. These are blank. After that, partners have withdrawn rupees 5 lakh each. If you remember the journal entry, I think that was the third number journal entry yesterday in my previous video. The drawings, investment is shown in the credit side, in the positive side, and the drawing which is for their personal use, that is shown in the debit side of partner's capital account. If you want to learn and study, you just make the notes for the previous video and this current video and compare it, or you just take help of each other very easily, and you may understand the question. So drawings that 5,000 each means A has withdrawn 5,000, B has withdrawn 5,000, C has withdrawn. 2 drawings. Here I have written drawings. I should write to cash account. Actual cash account should be written, but here I am showing drawings. 5,000, 5,000 and 5,000. And for this, already the amount which is to be charged, that is written here. It is for A, it is for B, and this is for C. I have written the question in short, so some respectively word are repeating A, B, C, that is not mentioned here. That is why I am explaining the question several times. So interest is to be charged, that amount is already given. Of course, there is percentage of interest on drawing in the question. See, interest on drawing interest on capital is allowed 5% and interest on drawing is charged 6% per annum. I am not using this percentage. Instead of that, in the question, already the amount of interest is shown. My dear, interest on drawing, that is a vast portion in the accountancy in this chapter, that is partnership. So, and that is not in your course also, but even later on I will try to explain the what is the interest on drawing and how that is calculated. So that amount interest on drawing as investment and interest on capital is given in the credit side, and I just I told you that this is the positive side and this is the negative side. 2. Interest on drawings rupees 500, 400 and 300. Yes. Interest is to be charged 500, 400, 300. The firm has earned rupees 1,20,000 profit. You just remember my words. Yesterday I told this amount is transferred or taken from profit and loss account. We are talking about the profit and loss appropriation account. Before that, profit and loss account is made, and from there this profit is taken. And I told you that profit and loss appropriation account starts either with profit or loss. So by profit brought down, that is rupees 1,20,000. Rupees 1,20,000 profit before making the above adjustments which are shown in the question. Now my dear, this is the profit and loss appropriation account started with the profit. Now the nominals account will be adjusted in this appropriation account. So the first item by interest, the items which are given in the credit side, the nominal items, 3 items are here: interest on capital, B salary and S commission. These are the 3 nominal accounts. They will be transferred here to interest on capital. A is getting rupees 2,500. B is getting rupees 2,000 and C is getting 1,500 given in the credit side. Total amount 2, 4, 5 and 6,000. Total 6,000 interest on capital. The second nominal account, B salary, that will be transferred here to B's salary account. 12,000 is mentioned there. 12,000. After that, A's commission is there in the A's column of capital account. 2 as commission account, that is 4,000. One nominal account is in the debit side of partner's capital account, and that will be in the credit side by interest on drawings. A, that is 500, B 400 and C, that is 300. 543. 549 plus 3, 1200. Total amount credited 1200. Now only balancing is left. Balancing is left. Almost all the items I have transferred, my dear. But even if there is any mistake, I think almost all the items, line wise, I have taken the figures into the account, respective accounts. So only the balancing is left in the profit and loss appropriation account and the partner's capital account. Balancing of profit and loss appropriation account is done first, and divisible profit or loss will be transferred to partner's capital account. It is very, at a glance you can see and say that credit side is greater, so we will make the total of credit side first. 1,20,000 plus 1,200 or 1,200. 1,21,200. Clear? And the greater total is written both the sides. 1,21,200. And the total of rough total of debit side is separated. That is the simple balancing. I will not revise it, or I will not show here the calculation. Only the rough work, the small rough work I will show here. And the total is 1,21,200. This is the credit total, and debit total is 6 plus 12, 18, 18 plus 4, 22, 22,000. This is the debit total. So the difference is 200. 11 minus 2 is equal to 9, and 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. This is called DP, divisible profit, and 99,200. I think the calculation is right. 1,21,000 minus 22,000, 12, 6, 18, 18 plus 4, 22, 2, 11 minus 2 is equal to 9, 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. That is a divisible profit and will be transferred. This is the last entry, I think, to partners capital account. Partners capital account A, B and C. This I will explain how the profit is shared. And the 99,200 that will be distributed in this ratio 5:3:2. That is in the 5:3:2. So my dear student, here I will show the balancing of this account. And here I will show the distribution. Divisible profit, that is ascertained. That is rupees is equal to rupees 99,200. And this will be given to A, B and C. A, B and C. and that is in the ratio of 5:3:2. Clear? So A will get 99,200 into 5/10. 5 means 5/10. 3 means 3/10. 2 means 2/10. 5/10 is equal to, you can calculate this, my dear, and actual 5/10 is half of this amount. Half of this amount you can cancel here. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, and 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, and 2 9 ja 18, 2 6 ja 12 is equal to 49,600. That will be written here. 49,600. B will get 3 parts. 99,200 into 3/10. You can remove this 0 and then you multiply. Is equal to 3 0 0 ja 0, 3 2 ja 6, 3 9 ja 18, and 3 ja 19 plus 1 19. 19,860. 19,860. And the C, third one, will get 2 parts of 99,200 into 2/10. Again 0 is cancelled. 2 0 ja 0, 2 2 ja 4, and 2 9 ja 18. Mistake is there. 3 9 ja 18. 2 9 ja 18 and 2 9 ja 18. This is a wrong calculation. This calculation is wrong. C. 3 0 ja 0, 3 2 ja 6, 3 9 ja 27, and 2 carried. 3 9 ja 27 plus 2 29. 29,760. 29,760. Now 2 0 ja 2 2 ja 4, 2 9 ja 18, 2 9 ja 18 plus 1 19. 19,840. 840. We may check the amount. 0, 6 plus 4 10, 0, 7 7 14, 14 plus 8 22, 2 9 to 11, 11 9 20, 20 plus 9 29, and 6 to 8 plus 1 9. Correct. My dear student, on the blackboard there may be slip of mind in the mathematical calculation, but whatever is taught for the accounting base, that is absolutely right as per this question. We may discuss about this interest on capital separately. There are so many amendments, so that we will talk later on. So this is the divisible profit, and that will be transferred in the credit side. In the credit side, and space is very small. S commission by is commission. That was 4,000. And then by profit and loss appropriation account. A has received how much? 49. Profit and loss appropriation account. 49,600. B has received 29,760 and C has received 19,840. 840. My dear student, now only the balancing is left. Balancing is left, and the very simple, the credit side is greater, so the balancing figure will be here. To balance carried down. Total of this side, you 6, 5 plus 6, 11, 10, 14, 15, 16, it is 6 and it is 5, 5 plus 5, 10. 1,06,000, 6,100. Out of that, you will subtract 5,500. 5,500. Here I am explaining. A credit side is 1,06,100 and minus 5,500. 5,500. 0, 0, 11 minus 5 is equal to 6, and it is 5 minus 5 is equal to 0, and it is 1,06,000. The carried down figure is 1,06,000. B's condition 40,000. This is 60 rupees. You can write 60. 700. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 1. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4, or plus 4, 8. Once again, we can check 60 rupees, 700. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. And it is 3, 4, 4 plus 4, 8. 83,000. It is for B. 83,760, and that will be written here. 83,760, and the balancing figure 5,400 will be subtracted. 5,400. My dear student, already the balancing is very clearly taught in class 11. Here only I am doing the formality. There may be some calculation mistakes also. I am just saving the time to make the video very small. So you see the calculation, and if you find any error of the calculation, not of the concept, so you may make the rectification. It is 0, it is 6, 7 minus 4 is equal to 3, and 13 minus 5 is equal to 8, and it is 7. 78,360. 78,360. And in the last column, C's column, this is 40 rupees. And it is 800. And it is 9 plus 1, 10. And it is 2. Or 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 50,840. 50,840. C. That is 50,840, or C's column is 5,300. 5,300. It is 40. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5, and 5, and it is 4. 45,540. 45,540. This is the carried down figure, closing balance of capital, as they have started with this amount, and now, my dear, you just check the calculation once again. I am telling you, and rest of the concept and the posting, they are absolutely right. So you just practice for this question. It is near about 90% portion of the profit and loss appropriation account is covered, but as per the amendment made in 2013, there are some special adjustment that I will teach you in the further videos. Thank you very much, my dear student. Have a nice day.